one of your goals this year is to transform your hair from short to long or to grow your hair, then you are at the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to create this very effective and potent hair oil that will transform your hair in no time. So, hi, peaceful tribe, grab your seat and let's go straight to today's video. You will need some dried rosemary leaves, a measuring cup, olive oil or any oil of your choice, and a plastic container. Let's get started. Grab your container, and I'm going to be measuring 2 cups of this rosemary. Now, don't get it twisted, okay? I'm using a 10 ml measuring cup, so and I use two. That is 20 ml, okay, of rosemary leaves. Now I'm just going to be going in with 6 of these 10 ml of olive oil. 6 of these is 60 ml, which is a quarter of a cup. A cup is 240 ml, so I'm just going in with 60 ml. That is a quarter of this cup. Whatever measurement you are using, just make sure it is enough for you. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use whatever oil, but I make sure to go in with olive oil because that is what I have available. Now I added in some carrot oil, carrot essential oil that I made. If you want to see that video, I'm going to be linking it to this video so you can go and check it. I mix it up and I cover. You're going to cover and let it sit in a dark place for 1 week or 2 weeks. I'm not using the double boiling method. I'm just going to let it infuse on its own. After 7 days, I open it up and then sieve it. You want to make sure to go in with your hands to press out the oils, and then our rosemary oil is ready. It is fast, it is very easy. You do not need any other herb, you just need your rosemary herb and your carrier oil. Now when you are making this, please do not go in and mix oils, okay? So it's best to go in with one carrier oil. I added in some rosemary leaves for just for the aesthetics and to make it look beautiful. It is completely optional and you can skip this part out. Apply to the scalp of your head. Apply to your scalp 2 to 4 times in a week. You don't have to go in every day because this is actually very effective. I've been using it and I highly recommend it. It has a very wonderful scent, and that's one thing I love about it. Make sure to moisturize your ends, make sure to moisturize your scalp everywhere after you have sprayed water. Yes, I see a lot of girls are not doing this properly. You don't go in with your oil on a dry hair. You make sure to moisturize your hair first with water, hydrate it with water, hydrate your hair first with water, and then go in with your oil and your shea butter or your hair butter to seal in the moisture. Do this 2 to 4 times weekly and watch your hair transform. If you found value in this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, share this video to as many girls out there, and make sure to subscribe if this is your first time. I will see you in the next one. Bye.